All right, Stavi here. I I found all the. You can already hear them. I mean, it's already the fucking Final Doom, man. Just in the map menu, you already find it. Okay, I'm gonna play the Congo map one. It has the Aubrey Hodges name of the. I forgot the name of the damn. I forgot it anyway, but I guess actually I could find it right here. Let's see. Okay, it's in Store and Go under music. Okay, here we go. Map 1 Congo. The Slow Demonic Pulse. That's the name of the song. Which is totally fitting. All right, here we go. Oops. All righty. Kill these bastards. You can even hear them breathing. Oh, they do that heavy breathing. That's awesome. Wait till you hear the imp. It's great. Might have the sound. I might have the sound too loud. That's fucking awesome, man. I totally changed this game. It totally changes it. I'm afraid to play this in Brutal 20. It'll get rid of all the stars. It might get rid of them all. That'd piss me off, man. Oh, there's an imp. That's awesome. Where is the bastard? Yeah, this level you get your ass kicked. I remember now. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh, there's an arc violet. Man, I'm dead. Three health. That's fucking great, man. Three health. Oh man, there's nothing. There's nothing that's gonna help me. Maybe if I jump down. No, I died. That's great. Oh, this is great. They're hitting me from a 10 health already. Damn. Yeah, fuck it. Let's cheat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it. You gotta hear this. I got the even the frickin' dude. This is awesome. This is the the sounds of the weapons are even better, man. Listen to this double barrel when I go to kill these bozos. Plasma gun. I mean, it sounds awesome. Listen. Yeah, man. That's the Williams plasma gun. Yeah, this is awesome, man. We are gonna 85 maps, dudes. And it works. Watch. I'll type in IDCLEV 85. 8 and 5. And there we go. We're in map 85. This is this is fucking great, man. That's the bad dream. That's the bad dream wad map. IDCLEV, and we'll go back to the Congo. Fucking great, ain't it? Here, hell, let's do 65. IDCLEV 65. Okay, we're on map 65. I don't even remember what this map was. Oh yeah, I did this. Badass. Oh, I seen an imp, but I don't hear him, so he must. Yeah, all the sounds, the lift sounds, everything, the doors, even the teleport, man. That's great. That's great. This is gonna be so much fun, man. When I got this all working. And it's gonna work too, man. There'll be 3 episodes. It'll say choose episode, and it'll say the Plutonian experiment as episode 1, TNT evolution. I'm sorry. I keep talking while there's fucking action going on. Fucker. I was crouching, that's hilarious. I still haven't fixed that crouch. Oh, that's right, this is a different video. That's hilarious, man. I was thinking this was the damn Doom 2. Vanilla Doom 2. Oh, I was hoping. Yeah, this is cool, man. I just love that imp sound. Yeah, it's got all of them, man. All the sounds. This is awesome, guys. I'm just so happy. All right, man. That's Stabby. I just wanted to give you an example. All right. Later.